I'm Anastasia, and this is something that helped me. I know every story is different, but I hope that in this you can find something to help you as well. Best of luck.
Thinking of all the things that helped me while Ben was recovering inpatient, one of the biggest ones was washing my face. And I know this may seem like a total no-brainer to you, but some of us need reminding. When Benjamin was first diagnosed, I did not want to leave his side. So when he fell asleep and Bob was right there with him, I would hurry into the bathroom, brush my teeth, splash some water on my face, comb my hair back into a ponytail, and get back to him as soon as I could. Now, after a few days, my face was red and cracked and dry, and it didn't feel good. And it was hard to come back from that because I was still in the hospital, still with no good moisturizer or face wash or anything. It really was not very pleasant. And so anyway, I've learned now every single time we go to the hospital, I make sure to bring a baby washcloth and a nice face wash and a nice moisturizer in my hospital bag. Some people laugh at me because we go for a little trip and I'm way overpacked, but I do not want to get stuck in the hospital again with no face wash. And so if you know that you're going for a stay in the hospital of a night or a few nights, I would always say bring your favorite face wash and your nicest washcloth and do those things. It's amazing how great it can feel after a really long and stressful day to take just a couple minutes and wash your face with your favorite soft face washcloth and take care of yourself. It's easy sometimes to get so caught up in the role of a caregiver that we forget how important it is to take care of ourselves also. No matter what is going on with our loved ones, we do need to take at least a couple minutes to take care of ourselves because honestly, nobody else can do this for us. And when we take care of ourselves and keep ourselves healthy, we're able to be in a much better attitude while helping loved ones through their difficult times. I'm not a big makeup person, but if taking a few minutes to do your makeup is something that makes you feel beautiful and ready to conquer the world, that's important too. And it's okay for you to take this time to care for yourself. If this little act of self-love can help get you through the rough days ahead, take this time and pull yourself together. I'm giving you permission right here from one parent to another. Take this time. You are worth it. Pull yourself together. Take some time in your journal and just write out, do you enjoy washing your face? What's your favorite washcloth? What's your favorite face wash? Do you enjoy face masks? Do you enjoy lotion or moisturizer on your face? If so, what's your favorite kind? How about makeup? Do you feel better with makeup on or off? What makes you feel your best? You may zip through that really quick, or if you're totally into makeup, it may take you a while to write what really are your favorites. There's no right or wrong answer. The question is what makes you feel your best? Because I truly believe when you take at least a minute or a couple minutes to do the things that you need to do to make you feel your best, then you're able to be more fully present as you care for your loved ones. So I hope this will help you. Best of luck.
It used to really bother me. Every single person would say, I don't know how you do it. And for me, I realized the answer is one day at a time, sometimes 1 minute at a time. People would say, I could never do that. Yes, you could, and you will. The journey is long and bumpy, but keep taking those tiny steps, and you can do this. I promise. Whatever is standing in front of you today, you can get through it.